Hello, 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 guys. Hello. In the last video, we create this map here in this contact here information. So I think in this video here, I'm gonna teach you how you can create a footer, right? I think footer is the last thing on websites. Footer is the last section in this tutorial, and also footer also is almost is the last thing by the end of the any website, right? So right now here, section inside footer, class for footer, right? Footer, footer, good class, yeah, dash b dash 5 background bg background to be dark, right? Text to be white, text to be white, right? And text to be center also. In text to be center, and position to be uh, relative, right? Position dash relative, right? Relative here. Good. Let's save to see that. Yes, here we are, guys. Great here. So right now here, let's put it as usual. Our website we want to be in center, right? Let's create container. So container, sorry, container. Okay, good. So content now we need to paragraph. Inside is lead. Good. So you copyright, right? Copy copyright, right? Copyright, copy, just say copy, right? Good. Just copy info, copy info. Good. 2024, right? Front end, back end. Bootcamp, right? Let's save that. Yes, here we are, guys. So that sounds perfect here, right? That's looks good right now. So, and also here, what else do we need? Good. So right now, we need also to include links, right? Links. This time we need to get the model, right? This time for model, right? So to get model also, right? When we click here, we need something to get at above the website there. So we need model, right? So in order to do that, we need links. Inside the links here, we need class, right? Class to be position. Good. Position dash absolute. Absolute. Good. Position absolute bottom. Good. Bottom. Bottom to be that. Bottom to be 0. Dash 0. Right, and to be dash 0 also, and padding to be 5. Good. So what else? Inside we need I for icon, right? I for icon. This is a place we can put our icon here. Icon is I, right? Also inside there we need class. Class bi, it's mean bootstrap icons. Bi dash arrow, right? Arrow. Good. Arrow dash circle IR CLE circle VH1. Good. So let's save. Maybe miss something here. Let's save to see that if you got it. Okay, maybe you got it, guy. So right, perfect right now. So to get that, so to get that, we need to copy. We need to copy. We need to copy model, right? Now it's the time to show that icon. We need to uh, copy model, right? Just go here, components in model. It's here, right here, right, right here. So I think which one we need? We need this one here, right? Here it is. Just copy this one here. Copy. No, before that, before we copy model here, we need to go up here, right? Dude, we need to do some steps. Go to showcase, right? Go to showcase here. Go to showcase here, right? Showcase, where is showcase? Good. So inside showcase here, you need to go to bottom here, right? Inside here, bottom here. Good. You need to work on bottom here, right? We need to add uh, some tag here, right? Data, target. No, first of all, it could be right toggle. Good. Data to be toggle. Here it is. Good. Inside we need a model here, right? modal. Good. Also, we include the target. Be target here. Inside we include inner. All right. Inner, right? ENR. Good. OLL, right? That's perfect, guy. So right now here, after we're done on that here, good. Let's save the website. Nothing also has changed right now, right? So right now here it's a time, not also. So we also have something here to change also. Good. So we'll change something here, guys. So let's save. Now it's time what? Time to copy that. Copy this one. We already create this and showcase there. Just grab this one here. Grab it here. Grab it here. All of it. Just Control S. Go back to the website. But by the end of the of the good. By the end of the map, right? Good. By the end of the footer, sorry guys, by the end of the footer here, right? Let's do here footer. Good. Footer. Good. By the end of footer here, you can paste it here, right? You can paste it here. Space. Good. So right now here, let's save it to see. Control S. It's back here. Reload. Nothing also has changed here. So what's the problem? The problem is we want to change this this ID here. This ID when I change it, also this ID also when I change it. Good. When I change this ID here, right? So to do that, so this ID